Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make music video in CapCut. Alright guys, here I have imported some clips to my project and we're going to make a music video. So if you want to make music video, the important thing that we have to do is adding music to our project. So you can click on audio button right here, then you can click on sounds. Then just select the suitable music for your video. And for example, I'm going to select music from CapCut. I'm going to select travel category. Then if you want to use the music from CapCut, make sure that you download the music first. You can click on this download button, and after you download the music, you will be able to add the music to your project. And I'm just going to add this music. Just click on this plus button. Then after that, after the music has been added to our project, we can edit the clips, guys. So I'm going to put animation for the clip. So just tap on the clip, then click on animation right here. Then I'm just going to select combo animation. I'm going to choose wait guys. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and afterwards I'm selecting the animation, we can tap on the checkmark button right here. Okay, and we can also put transition. We can put transition right here, guys. I'm just going to put transition for this clip. I'm going to select so I think I'm going to select this one, this mixed transition. Okay, and after that we just need to click on this checkmark button. Okay, and for the next clip, I'm going to put a transition as well. Just tap on this button. Then I'm going to select this one. Okay, and then just click on this checkmark button. Then for the last clip, I'm going to add wait guys. I'm going to select this one. Okay. Then let's just take a look at the result. So I'm gonna play the video. Alright guys, and that's how we can make music video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.